If you want to set up voice chat permission in Epic Games, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly manage your voice chat settings and make sure everything is set the way you want. This is especially useful if you're setting up a child account, adjusting family controls, or just checking your privacy and communication options before jumping into a game. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Epic Games in your browser. You can do this on a desktop or laptop, and once the page loads, sign into the account you want to manage. After you're logged in, look for your profile menu in the top area of the Epic Games website and open it. From there, click on Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage different options tied to your Epic profile. Next, find and click Parental Controls. If this is your first time opening this section, you may be asked to enter your parental controls code. Type in the code carefully and continue. Once you're inside the parental controls area, look for social permission settings and click on that option. This is where Epic Games keeps the communication and social features for the account. Now scroll down until you see Epic Voice Chat Permission. This setting controls whether voice chat is allowed or restricted on the account. When you find it, set it according to your preference. You may want to allow voice chat, limit it, or turn it off depending on the account and the level of safety or privacy you want. Take a moment to review the setting before saving or closing the page so you know it is configured correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up voice chat permission in Epic Games. This is a quick but important setting, especially if you want better control over who can use voice chat on the account. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.